Hello, this is Max from LionO360 with another important tip. Today, we introduce the leads module. In a healthy sales cycle, the sales pipeline is replenished with opportunities and leads. Having a healthy lead database is critical to efficiently connecting with leads and opportunities. Leads have different stages depending on where the contact is in your sales cycle. What makes this module extremely useful is that each stage is totally customizable. At the top, the data is sorted into stages. For example, this business uses all leads, open not contacted, working contacted, closed not interested, and converted, which can be customized based on your business's unique sales process. By selecting on any of these sections, you can see all the leads available in this stage. Quickly view high-level information about the quality of your lead database. The ability to score leads by its lead stage helps record and analyze your sales cycle. This is important for measuring data on leads to determine which leads are underperforming and how to change the approach to dealing with these situations. In the All Leads section, you can add leads individually or by bulk lists through Excel. To add them individually, click the blue Add New button and simply enter email ID. If you have the person's email address, we will try to find the remainder of the information for you. But even if you don't, you can easily add the information manually. On the left-hand side are the leads sorted by name. If you click the All Leads section, it will bring you to a menu displaying all the leads available in your system. In the action bar, you can view the location of the lead, you can edit the lead's information, and you can convert a lead into an account. To get back to any dashboard, select the blue graph icon. Convert leads into an account from which opportunities can be created. Getting leads into your system is super easy. Make better decisions based on the data points of the lead information in the sales cycle with the Leads module on LionO360.